Nice bout, ladies. All right, we have a unanimous decision. Out of the red corner, Pizza Bernabe. I need to make a quick announcement. Bout 5 is going to be a walkover, so bout number 6, be ready, because it's not going to take long to get that one out.